Okay, so we got a nice big sell-off and a dump in Bitcoin. Closed, basically shorted at around 725 in the room. Hedged into some altcoins. As many of you know, I've been talking about hedging for days. I'm going to hold a lot of these altcoins now because I expect them to fly over the next couple of weeks. But right now I'm just doing a video on doing some intraday trading, some scalping, now that we've got some volatility on the charts. So we have a big dump. The indicator that I like to use for this is called the stochastic RSI, which shows buying versus selling pressure. And what I do is after a big dump, so what I did is I closed my, and I'm trading on BitMEX, by the way. So I closed my short, knowing that, it's probably still going to pull back more longer term, but I wanted to get some intraday scalping and lock some profit in. So what I do is, it's going to sound crazy, but I actually will look at the 1 minute chart. And so just in the room right now, I bought the dip on the 1 minute chart. You see here how we see this this little tail and a wick, and the stochastic RSI is crossing under 20. And so we're starting to see a bounce play. Now, I wouldn't, if you do this too soon, if you jump the gun too soon, and do it too early in the dump, you got to kind of let the market dump, have a good, decent dump. Don't just try to do it, oh, the market dumped a bit, now I'm going to do that. You can do it, and it's possible that the market is going to continue selling off, but we should see a nice retrace and a bounce from this area. So I did close out my short position. I just entered into a long position, and now on the minute chart we can start to see the bounce happening right now. Now, the reason why I look at the minute chart, and this is the only time I look at the minute chart, I don't look at the minute chart for technical analysis. I only intraday trade or scalp when we get massive dumps. And I'm kind of giving you guys my my golden scalping secrets right now. But when we get a dump and we hit a level of support, the minute chart allows me to buy pretty close to exact bottoms. Like, as you can see, the price action looks very drastic right now, right? But in reality, it's basically just this wick right here, right? That's the wick you're seeing, but this is what it looks like on the minute chart. So that's the bounce. Obviously, the wick on the 1 hour, unless it continues to sell off, is showing me that obviously buyers are stepping in. So what we could end up seeing right now too on this bounce is that we could end up seeing like another retest or a pullback, but it might make either an exact pullback and then do like a small double bottom and bounce, or it will do a higher low and then bounce, or this isn't the bottom and I jump the gun and it'll break down and fall back lower. So to manage risk, if it breaks down and falls back lower, to manage risk, what I'll generally do is just cut out, right? So I'll just take a small hit now and again when I'm probing the market.